I have never approached a turtle while she was trying to make a hole, but you guys have to see how much she tore up my lawn. And what the frig, man? Like, seriously, Mama. Look at what you did. What is this? What are you doing? Holy mud, man. You just... Not just there. She didn't just make all of this. All of that. She also made that spot there. What are you doing? Come on, Mama. Look at what you did. Look at this. Jeez. You tore up the whole friggin' lawn. You better drop eggs. You gonna drop some eggs? Huh? You gonna drop some eggs? Huh? What? I know you're not a snapping turtle, but you might just go ahead and pop one off because I'm bothering you. You got something for the fans? You wanna say anything? You camera shy? You really are killing my goddamn lawn. Alright. I'll leave you back to your womanly duties.